Right now, the Bitcoin price action is breaking above resistance that we have not been able to break above for 303 days. And right now, Bitcoin is breaking back in towards bull market territory. So make sure to watch this video till the end because it will be very important to see what will be happening with Bitcoin. I will discuss my next trade. I will discuss the price action of Bitcoin right now and the most likeliest moves that we're going to have getting created for Bitcoin right here. So don't forget to slap up that like button. Can we once again smash a back of a 600? That will be absolutely incredible. And once looking at the daily time frame and looking at the bullish bands, we can clearly see the volatility is happening again, just exactly like we've been predicting. Once the bullish bands becomes very narrow, we tend to see big volatile spikes happening, and yet again we've seen the bullish bands being very narrow, and exactly after that we have seen the price action of Bitcoin once again generate more volatility. You can see it on the 1 hour time frame as well. The 1 hour time frame created, of course, that significant lower high structure together with higher lows, and ever since we right now decide to, of course, confirm that higher high, we've seen a significant rally towards the upside getting occurred for Bitcoin. You can see also on the 4 hourly time frame is that we currently are breaking above this very important resistance level that basically provided us resistance for basically the entire time. And you can see here on this consolidation phase is that Bitcoin was getting rejected from the top side every single time we retested it. We were getting supported by the lower side, we were getting supported by the middle side, and right now since we confirmed the break above the top side, I said it already yesterday after we closed this candle here on $29,000, we confirmed the break towards the upside. So what my strategy was at this point, it was actually to long Bitcoin on this retest right here because I already closed my short position at the moment we confirmed the breakout, and my strategy was actually to long Bitcoin on the retest. Unfortunately, Bitcoin has seen a more significant rally towards the upside, so I've not been able to long the breakout. However, if I will get another opportunity to long this retest right here, I will be most certainly be the one that is going to be doing that. So that is going to be the thing that I will be waiting for on Bitcoin right now. But for the meantime, we can clearly see Bitcoin has officially breaking bullish, and currently we're even trading above 30,000 US dollars. You can see the 4 hour symmetrical triangle also broke bullish and seen significant rallies happening towards the upside. And what I want to be pointing out as well right now is that tomorrow we will have the inflation data come out here, and once the inflation data comes out, there will even be more volatility. You can see in the past times here we had the inflation data, we saw a significant pump. Here also we saw a significant pump and even a bigger pump after that as well. In the last time right here we saw a significant pump towards the upside. So what I can say right now here, if I'm going to look at the inflation data for the last 5 times it occurred, every single time the Bitcoin price action pumped. And if I am going to be looking about where the inflation probably is going to come in at, it is forecasted that it will fall down to 5.2 to 5.3%, what will be a decreasement of 0.8% in inflation. So since the inflation will be dropping so significantly, we could even see another significant pump happening tomorrow on the Wednesday, where we will get the inflation data getting released. So it's going to be very important to be watching this, to be following this, and we will be waiting casually. We will be waiting patiently to see where it is going to come in at. In terms of my trade, I want to be longing Bitcoin right now here, but I want to be cautious. I want to be careful, and I want to be waiting for a retest of that 28,000 US dollar level. If Bitcoin comes down, retest the $28,000, that is going to be a very interesting point for me to be opening up a long position. But already right now, since Bitcoin is trading above $30,000, it definitely makes me feel very great. But I'm not going to be opening up a long position right now because, yeah, it's usually not so smart to open up a long position on an exponential rally towards the upside. So right now, I will take it very slow. I will be very patient and just casually wait for a potential retest for me to be trading long. And if you want to be staying up to date about that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now, because then you will be exactly staying up to date about what my next trade for Bitcoin is going to be. Furthermore, we can currently see that we created that rising wedge on the 12-hour time frame. This bearish bias pattern for Bitcoin, we officially actually broke towards the upside of this pattern. But what is interesting to see is that usually rising wedges, 20% of the time, they only break towards the upside. But right now it's happening again. It's breaking towards the upside, and the price target of this rising wedge is somewhere around 31.5k. So there is still some more room towards the upside for Bitcoin to grow. But then quickly looking at this very important daily resistance, this is really where it is all about. You can currently see that the last time the Bitcoin was traded above this level has been in approximately 304 days ago. What is a significant while ago. You can clearly see this was the level that was provided providing super big support for Bitcoin. Here it was providing super big resistance, and right now we're trading above it. So if we will have a retest, that is exactly the level that you want to be longing right now here for Bitcoin, and that is also exactly the level that I will be looking to long here. I can guarantee you what we're currently seeing is extremely bullish for Bitcoin. It's extremely bullish for future of Bitcoin, and basically what we're currently seeing here is that Bitcoin is breaking back in towards this entire big bull market range, right? So in the bull market, this level right here provided support, provided support, provided support, and it was providing resistance right here, and right now we're breaking above it. And if we confirm the 3-day candle close above this level, we confirm the break back in towards the bull market range, what is going to be very bullish for Bitcoin. We basically, of course, already ended the bear market. That's what we have talked about. But if we break back above this level right here, we are really entering Bitcoin bull market stadiums. We're coming closer and closer towards the previous all-time high, of course. And right now we're only 55% down approximately from the previous all-time high. But what is the most important thing to look at is that this level was, of course, provided the previous big support in the bull market. And if we once again can break back above this level, it's going to be super bullish for Bitcoin. It's going to be very good for the long term, and it will only have significant long-term benefits for Bitcoin in the end of the day here. So that was it for me in today's update video. I hope you did enjoy it. I hope you did learn something. And if we ever will get the opportunity to retest and long this level on the retest, it's going to be a huge opportunity, what I will be personally for sure take. If you want to be taking it yourself, don't forget to check out the link in the description where you can sign up an account on Bybit right now and claim a deposit bonus up to $30,000. So make sure to check it out right now in the link in the description. But be aware, on the daily time frame, we're still potentially creating a bearish divergence. On the 3-day time frame, we're still creating a potential bearish divergence. Of course, these can still get invalidated, but it is something where you should be paying attention towards. And also on the 12-hour time frame, we are currently still creating a bearish divergence. So make sure to be aware for this one that if you want to be trading it, don't forget to check out the links in the description where you can claim an insane deposit bonus to sign up an account to Bybit. And that was it for me in today's update video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.